The Lion and the Three Cows. Once upon a time, in a big green meadow, there lived 3 cows, one black, one red, and one white. They were best friends. Wherever they went, they always stayed together. They ate grass together. They played together. And when danger came, they stood side by side to protect each other. Not far from the meadow lived a hungry lion. Every day, the lion watched the cows and licked his lips. He said, "Those cows look delicious. But as long as they stay together, I can't fight them. I must separate them first." The lion thought and thought. Then he got a clever, but mean, idea. One day, when the red and black cows went to drink water, the lion quietly went to the white cow. He smiled and said, "Dear white cow, why do you stay with those 2? You are clean and beautiful, but they are dirty and noisy. You should stay alone. You deserve better friends." The white cow thought for a moment. Maybe he's right," she said. And she moved to another part of the meadow. That night, the lion crept up and attacked the white cow. Because her friends weren't there to help, he ate her. A few days later, the lion went to the red cow. He whispered, "Red cow, you are so bright and strong. But the black cow is too dark and lazy. You should stay by yourself." The red cow believed him and left the black cow alone. Soon, the lion came again, and ate the red cow. Finally, only the black cow was left. When the lion came near, the black cow began to cry. "Oh no! I should never have let my friends go. If we had stayed together, the lion could never hurt us." The lion laughed and ate the last cow, too. Moral of the story: when friends stay together, they are strong. But when they believe lies and fight each other, enemies can easily defeat them.